You need to be a little bit more relaxed for this to work.
Feel a little bit better. Yeah.
Feel better after that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good. 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 Squeeze them tight, squeeze them tight. There it is.
Yeah. Yeah. I like that.
There it is. Good. Good. Out.
Oh, that feels good. All of the bones cracking like from the middle of my back.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Clerge, your DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Alan. Is
Alan, yes.
Okay, all right. So Alan, you said you had just some stiffness and soreness in the neck, upper back, lower back area, right? Yeah. You also told me sometimes it gets pretty bad where you have to like take a muscle relaxer. Right?
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit more about that.
Just like I said, when I go like doing certain activities, like later on I find myself real stiff around the lower back, the neck area. Pretty much that's about it.
And you said you do HVAC too,
yeah.
right? And pretty experienced with that. So now that you know you're not 20 anymore,
Yeah,
you're not old or nothing,
right.
But you know now you start to feel a lot of the stiffness, especially after work, right?
Right.
And you've had a lot of other broken bones, you know, things of that nature, which
car
adds
accidents.
to the car accidents, which
they
add to the stiffness, right?
Been riding bikes, so
right. So you're active as far as that, too, right?
Yeah, I'm active so far as that.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assess your movements, okay?
Okay.
And then based on what I find, I'll know what to do.
All right.
Okay? So I'm going to have you stand up for me. All right. You're going to actually face me. Perfect. Okay. So now I'm going to have you bend forwards, try to go feet so I can see how far you can get without any pain or stiffness. This is as far as you go, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Come on back up. Alright, let's have you go back for me. I'm going to hold your back. That's tight, because I hear you, you're grunting. Okay, that's uncomfortable. Alright, face this way for me. Okay, let's have both arms up. And I'm going to have you kind of rotate right, and then rotate left for me. How's that? So? Okay. Let's go right to the... Bend right, bend left. How's that?
Yeah, I can feel the tightness.
You can feel the tightness in that area?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, have a seat. All right, let's look at the movements of your head and neck. So let's have you look down for me. And look back. How's that? You're not going as far back as you should, though.
Yeah, you can kind of feel it a little bit.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Just a little.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And let's have you rotate. So you're gonna look right, and then you're gonna look left. Let me know how that feels. Okay. How's that? So?
So is like a little tight, I guess, because I ain't.
Right.
I haven't popped my neck in a minute or so.
I got you. And now let's have you go side to side. So go to the right and go to the left. Let me know how that feels.
Yeah, it's not getting the
movement that it needs, right?
Yeah, I can feel it. Like it just popped a little bit.
A little bit. So you hear some popping with that movement. Okay. All right. So that was active movements that you were doing on your own. Now I'm going to do passive movements. Okay. Where I did the movements for you. All right. So first we'll start with the head and neck, and go back forward. Okay. So, yeah, there's some restriction. I'm gonna palpate your spine, your cervical spine. And let me have you look down again. Okay. Alright, now let me palpate your mid-back area. Okay. How's that? That stuff tight?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna have you do a few movements for me. Alright. Is that a bit uncomfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's have you go side to side. I'm gonna. Oh wow, that's tight. That is real tight.
Yeah.
Huh. Can I lift this up? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, that is tight. Wow. It's like a brick. Okay. Alright, let me. Now, this part of your lower back, we definitely have to get some massages, okay? Once you're done with the treatment, with the adjustments. That way we can decrease some of that rigidity that you're having right here, alright?
Okay.
Let me have you rotate this way for me. I'm gonna palpate your spine. Rotate the other way. Okay. How's that? Is that uncomfortable?
Yeah.
It is? Alright. Side to side. This side. Okay. And the other side. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, I definitely need to stretch you out first. Because you're so tight.
Okay.
Okay, to kind of loosen you up a bit.
Yeah.
Then after that, we'll do the adjustments, okay?
Alright.
Alright, you feel it alright?
Yeah.
Right about there? Okay. Take a deep breath, relax, blow it out. Out. Good. Let's do that again. Deep breath. Out. Yeah, I can feel your muscles firing. One more time. Deep breath. Out. There we go. Nice. Perfect. One more time. Deep breath in. Out. Good. Again. Out. There we go. Nice. Okay. Good. Okay. I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna come in and apply pressure.
Okay.
If it gets too uncomfortable, let me know. Take a deep breath. Blow down for me. Out. Good. Again. Out. Good. Again. Out. Perfect. One more time. Out. Perfect. Okay, good. Perfect. One more time. And out. Good. Again. Out. Perfect. Okay, good. Take a deep breath, blow it out for me. There you go. Good. Again. Out. Good. One more time. Out. Nice, nice, nice. Perfect. Oh, take a deep breath. Blow it out. There we go. Good. One more time. Out. Good. Again. Out. Nice. Okay, perfect. Alright. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Out. Good. One more time. Out. Good. Again. Out. One more time. Out. Perfect. How's that?
Right there.
Right there. Take a deep breath for me. Out. Good. One more time. Out. Again. Out. Perfect. Okay, good. Good. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Out. Good. Again. Out. Perfect. Let's go to this side. Good. Again. Good. One more time. Nice. Again. Nice. Perfect. Out. Good. Again. Out. Good. One more time. Out. Good. Again. Out. Good. Again. Out. Nice. Perfect. Okay, good. All right. So now we're gonna get ready for the adjustments, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to assess your head and neck movement again, okay? Side to side. Good. Good. All right. So for this adjustment, I'm going to be on top of the table. You're going to slide forward and sit to about right here for me. There we go, right there. It's fine. Actually, you can actually move this way just a little bit. Perfectly, right there. Good. Bring the table down a bit. All right. Now, what I want you to do, you're going to relax as much as you can, okay? Contact your occipital, and I'm going to rotate your head this way. And I'm going to drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. And just relax your shoulder a little bit more. Good. Drop your head for me a little bit more. Just a little bit more. You need to be a little bit more relaxed for this to work.
Feel a little bit better. Yeah.
Felt better after that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's go to the other side. All right. Okay. So same scenario. Contact your occiput. Rotate this way. Let's get your head drop for me. Good. Good. Relax your shoulder. There you go. Just like you're going to sleep, just relax. Relax a little bit more. Your head is still tense. You're still tensing up. Relax a little bit more. A little bit more. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Feels pretty good?
Yeah. Feel definitely better than it did.
Good, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. I'm going to have you, let's have you on your back. I'm going to palpate your head and neck. Good. See what kind of movements you have. Good. Okay. I want you to just relax for me. Good. That's good. And I'm just going to distract you a little bit. Good. Distract. Good. Okay. Come up for me. Alright. So, we've got occiput C1 area, C3, C4 area. So move your head and neck around. Let me know how that feels. Pretty good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright. Now, I'm going to have you on your stomach. What I want you to do is just relax as much as you can. There you go. Good. And just relax your head and neck. I'll do the moving for you. Good. 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 Go to the other side. Just relax for me. There you go. Good. Relax, relax. Good. Perfect. Okay. All right. Good. All right. Come on up. Palpate your mid back. Okay. Now you the fractures were like the arms and yeah. Okay. What about shoulder? Any shoulder dislocation?
No.
Anything like that? Okay. All right. So for this one, I'm gonna have you actually stand up. I'm gonna have both arms come up, and I'm gonna reach in, put my hands behind your neck. You're gonna take both of your hands, put both of your hands on top of my hand, but interlock your fingers. There you go, good. Now, what I want you to do, squeeze your elbows together and kind of lean back on me a little bit. Keep squeezing your elbows. Squeeze them tight, squeeze them tight, squeeze them tight. There it is.
Yeah. Yeah. I like that.
We got everything on that one.
Yeah, I felt it.
You felt it? Yeah.
I heard it. I felt it.
That was a good one. Yep. All right, perfect. Now, let me have you on your side. All right, I'm gonna position you. Good. There you go. I'm gonna cross the arm like this. You're gonna come closer to the end of the table. Come. Perfect. Head and neck goes right in the middle. Good. All right, just like that. I'm gonna take this thing, gonna bend it. And I know you're tight, so I'm gonna bring it all the way towards your chest. You know what? Because you're so tight, just let your leg hang to the floor. Good. I'm gonna come in and traction you that way. Good. All right. Now, once you have to try and relax, because I have to be able to twist you. Good. Relax for me a little bit more. Relax. There it is.
Yeah, I'm feeling better. I would tell you the truth.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel much better.
Good. That's the side that needed it. This leg, I'm gonna motion and feel the motion in your knees. Okay. All right. What I want you to do is just relax for me, okay? Good. Relax. Good. Perfect. All right. Same thing on this side. Motion your knees a bit. Get some popping here. All right. Side out. All right. Should have just relaxed for me. Good. Perfect. All right. Motion your ankle. Relax for me. Good. Motion your ankle. Relax. Good. Perfect. Okay. All right. Good. I want you to come up. Okay. Good. 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 Perfect. All right.
But it's good. Like I said, it's been a minute.
A minute, yeah. Good. There it is. There it is. Good. Just a slight pull because you had the surgery on this one. Okay, all right, good. So, you should feel all loosened up now.
Yeah.
Let's come up, do those motions for me again. And then let me know how you feel. Let me know how you're moving.
Yeah.
You're rotating better.
Yeah, it do feel a lot better. Like I ain't got too much stress on it.
Right. Yeah. Let's have you bend for me again. I know bending was really tight.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. That's a little bit better than before.
Right, yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's good.
It definitely is.
That's good.
I mean, I still feel
You
it.
still, of course. Yeah.
But it's way better. It's
Just
way
one
better.
treatment, right?
It's way better.
I'm gonna take this foam, put it underneath your legs. Good. Perfect. Alright. Now, lift your head. I'm gonna drop this on your head. Good. You can drop that. Good. All right. Now I'm gonna do a few pulls, and you let me know how it feels. If it's too tight or if it's uncomfortable, you let me know. Okay? How does that feel? Is that too tight? That's okay? All right. Do one more pull. Take a deep breath, blow it out for me. Out. Good. Okay. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Blow it out. One more time. Deep breath. Out.
Oh, that feels good.
How'd that feel?
Yeah,
Feel pretty good?
Feel pretty good, yeah, it did.
What did you feel?
All of the bones cracking, like from the middle of my back to right about.
So about it, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so just lay there for a bit. I'm gonna take the foam off. I'm gonna have you come up and do the head and neck motions for me again. Alright, so move your head and neck around again for me. Just let me know how that feels. How does it feel overall?
Feel much better.
Much better, right? We got everything. Neck, upper back, lower back, knees, ankles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Did they do all that for you the last place you went?
Nah, like I said, they did certain things.
Right, but not that extensive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. Perfect.